Hi, what's up you guys? It's your girl Anna, and you already know, as you can see by the title, I am back at it again with another COLORCL colored contact lens review slash kind of show and tell. Now in this video, I wanted to tell you guys about the launch that COLORCL is doing today. Yes, today. If you're watching this video right now, it is live. They have a new collection. You guys remember way back a couple months ago, they had their COLORCL Siesta weekly edition lenses where you can, change up your lens every week. Now they have their monthly collection. Now this one comes in 2 sets of colors, and you get 5 pairs of either brown contact lenses or their top gray colored contact lenses. For the launch, for the first 2 weeks starting today, and I think today is what, February 8th, I believe. For the first 2 weeks, this collection of 5 pairs of lenses will be for only $15, and you can get, of course, my coupon code ANNET10 will give you 10% off that order as well, but only for the first 2 weeks, you guys. After that, these collections will be $25 for the pack. Now this is what the lenses look like when you buy them. So it's $15 for each of these. So it's 5 of their top selling gray lenses, and then 5 of their top selling brown lenses. Now, so what I'm gonna do in this video, because it's a collection of some of the lenses that I've already reviewed in the past, I will be going through them, the ones that I already did, and showing clips right here of what they look like when I tried them on. And of course, I'll leave links to the videos in the description bar for you guys to watch those if you want to see it in full live and effect. Yes, but to start off, these are the brown collection. So this is the black monthly edition Siesta Brown series, right? Okay, so in this collection you'll get creamy brown. Let me go up closer. You'll get creamy brown, which I already reviewed, so I'll show a little clip of what that looks like right now. Right, you'll get the cloud brown from the cloud series. And then you will also get the romance brown, and this one was really popular. I think you guys really love this color. It's and Romance India, I believe. So you'll get that in the collection, and you'll get Romance India over here, another on and popping one that's so popular. And this one is a new one. This one is the Romance Cedar. So it's the Romance Cedar Brown, and I'm going to be inserting a clip of what that looks like right now, because I am going to be trying on that one while shooting this current video, so you guys can have a look as to what that one is looking like and if you guys like it or whatever. Yeah. So again, these collections are for $15, you guys. For the first 2 weeks of the launch starting February 8th, you can get them. February 8th to the 22nd, you can get them for only $15, and then you get another 10% off with my coupon code ANNET10. But after that, you guys, it's gonna be $25. So this is the silver edition. So this is their top selling silver tone. And because my eyes are brown, my eyes are dark brown, yeah, these are my God-given babies, all of these lenses will look blue on me, okay? Even though they're gray, for some reason, these lenses just always look blue toned on me. So the first one is the Siesta Creamy Gray, and I'll show the clip of what that looks like when I reviewed it. And we have the, which one is this? Creamy Luna. This is a new one, I believe. So I'm going to be showing the clip of me trying that on right now. And this one looks like it's the cloud gray. And this is the romance gray. And this is the romance Dian. So Miss Dian is also a new one. So I'm gonna be showing what she looks like right now on my dark brown eyes. So as per usual, if you guys love this video and you see any contact lenses that you love, you can also buy them individually for $15 per pair. They do sell these, all of these that are in the collection, they sell them individually, I believe. So you can also cop one if you only see one that you like and you want to try out. But this one is a good idea where you can get a collection. I mean, it's 5 freaking pairs for only $15. Even though they did say that this is for monthly wear only, so they don't recommend using it for long term. I don't know why. I have lenses for years, even though it has an expiry date on there. I just like to play it bad, and yeah, I normally just wear my lenses until I feel like they can't be worn anymore. I don't really watch expiry date. Don't be like me though. Don't quote me. Don't quote me. So according to COLORCL, these are for monthly wear only, so you really shouldn't be re-wearing them for years and years. Okay, so if you have any questions about this particular collection or anything at all you guys want to ask me, go ahead and go down in the comment section and hit me up. Ask me anything you want, and remember my coupon code is ANNETTE10. I'll have it right here, so you guys can see, so you can get 10% off your order at COLORCL. Until next time, you guys, I love you so much and thank you for supporting my channel. I'm at 2,000 subscribers. That's so freaking amazing. So yeah, thanks so much, and until next time, bye.